Alright, so in this video, we're both going to be finding the value of x in this Olympiad maths problem we have on the board. First things first, if you're in today's class, say parent in the comment section. And if you're joining us for the first time, I am Tutor the Scientist, and I make maths and physics easy and accessible to everybody online with a touch of chemistry. So all I need to do is just engage actively, like this video, share this video, and also drop your opinion in the comment section. So without no wasting of time, let's get straight to it. Solution. Therefore, the question says we should find the value of x in this Olympiad expression we have here. X to the power of x is equal to 2 to the power of 64. So first things first, we are going to be breaking it down, right? So we'll break this down like this. We have x to the power of x, and we have 64 is 16 times 4. So we can write here as 2 to the power of 4 to the power of 16, right? Are you following? Because you remember the power rule in indices says that, for example, we have a number a to the power of m times n. This will be equal to a to the power of m times n. Can you see it? Yes, as you can see here, the two base they can still multiply each other. So if we apply that here, that's why we have this value. So now moving on, we have x to the power of x to be what? 2 to the power of 4 is what? 16. So we have 16 to the power of 16. Now looking at this closely, we can see that they are both the same and they both align. So equating the exponents, and therefore say that x is equal to 16. Please, if you enjoyed this video, do not forget to like and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye bye.